welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas, and welcome to day 14 of Nailmas. Today I have already put my base polish on. I felt like you guys are probably tired of seeing me put on a regular polish before we get onto the art. So I went ahead and did that part. I am wearing a white polish by Glaze. I think it's called Summer Moon, but I could be wrong. If you need to know, let me know and I will double check. Actually, I'll go ahead and double check right now. So currently what I am doing is I am putting on a mossy green acrylic paint and kind of making a big mess in the middle of my nails. It's really just lines and dots kind of like spattered here and there, but really from afar it's going to look like a mistletoe cluster. Okay, so I got the white out and it is called Summer Moon. It's from one of the white collection that they did earlier this year. It's a really good white from China Glaze, so I would suggest that. I did 2 coats of that as my base color. Anyway, back to the design. I'm using a mossy green acrylic paint, and I'm really just like, there's no method to this. I'm kind of just dotting or dabbing paint into the middle of my nail, and I have like one little line going up to the cuticle, which is kind of going to be like how the mistletoe would be hanging. And I know there are probably ways to do this that would look more proper, like real mistletoe, but you know, it's tiny details on your nails, and from afar, you're not really gonna know. So then I went and put some berries on it because I know sometimes when you see mistletoe, there's berries. Sometimes they're white, sometimes they're red. So I kind of just went with red, but then later on you'll see that on like my 4 nails that you normally see, I kind of omitted the berries altogether because I really liked it plain. So you can kind of play around with that and do whatever you fancy. Then I felt like going with a bit more of a non-traditional girly theme, so I did a pink bow at the top using acrylic paint. And then on like the main nails that I did, like on the that you normally see in pictures, I did a pink accent nail to kind of bring it all together, and I really liked the combo because it was different. I have done the like traditional Christmas colors of this in the past, so I really enjoyed the change up. And that was pretty much it. At that point, you want to let everything dry, of course, and then you want to put on your choice of top coat, be it matte or shiny. Both would look great, but here is what it looks like on my full 4 nails that I traditionally show you guys. I don't know why I posed my hand upside down. Sorry about that, but yeah, that is officially it for this design. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to y'all very soon. Bye!